Hello friends! I'm delighted that you've joined us today. In this video we'll dive into the magical world of cloves, their rich history, nutritional value, and amazing health benefits. So let's begin this journey into the world of this unique spice. Cloves are dried flower buds of the clove tree, Syzygium aromaticum, which have been used as a spice and medicinal remedy for millennia. Did you know that people have been using cloves since ancient times, long before the invention of writing? This ancient spice has survived through thousands of years because it not only gives food a pleasant aroma, but also improves health in remarkable ways. In today's world, scientific interest in cloves is growing as researchers discover their profound effects on health. As noted by Dr. Andrew Smith, a renowned herbalist, cloves are a miniature natural pharmacy, capable of improving digestion, strengthening immunity, and even fighting neurodegenerative processes. Journey through time. History of clove usage. Fascinating historical facts. Did you know that in ancient China, court servants kept cloves in their mouths to freshen their breath when speaking to the emperor? Violating this rule could lead to severe punishment. In the Middle Ages, cloves were literally worth their weight in gold. The price was so high that control over the Molucca Islands, known as the Spice Islands, where cloves grew, provoked wars between European powers. When the plague devastated Europe in the 14th century, doctors wore masks with long beaks, filled with cloves and other aromatic herbs, believing this would protect them from the bad air they thought caused the disease. Modern science has confirmed that cloves indeed have powerful antimicrobial properties. Cloves in traditional medicine across cultures. Ayurvedic medicine has been using cloves for over 2,000 years as a cough-reducing spice that balances metabolism and improves digestion. In traditional Chinese medicine, cloves were used to treat coughs, nausea, neurological pain, and even to enhance male virility. In Indonesian folk medicine, cloves are considered the king of spices and used to treat diabetes, purify blood, and as a natural remedy against parasites. Nutritional goldmine. Incredible beneficial properties. Cloves aren't just a tasty spice, they're a veritable pharmacy in each tiny bud. Amazing chemical composition. Eugenol. Makes up to 85% of clove essential oil and is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. In terms of antioxidant activity, cloves surpass most fruits and vegetables. Their ORAC, oxygen radical absorbance capacity, value is an impressive 290,283 units per 100 grams, which is 30 times higher than blueberries. Vitamin richness. Cloves contain vitamin K in an amount that exceeds the daily requirement by 2.5 times per 100 grams. They're also rich in B vitamins, which support energy metabolism in cells. Mineral power. Contains high concentrations of manganese, more than 60% of the daily requirement in 1 teaspoon, as well as calcium, iron, and magnesium in bioavailable forms. Hidden potential of clove water. Clove water. This is an infusion of cloves that's easy to prepare at home. Studies show that regular consumption of clove water can reduce blood glucose levels by 21% over 30 days in people with prediabetic conditions. Detoxification properties. Clove water stimulates liver function, helping it more effectively cleanse the blood of toxins. Research shows that clove components increase the activity of detoxification enzymes by 25 to 30%. Skin benefits. When used externally, clove water reduces inflammation, fights acne, and even helps reduce hyperpigmentation. Korean researchers have found that cloves contain components that inhibit the activity of tyrosinase, an enzyme responsible for the formation of pigment spots. Health connection. How cloves transform the body. Antimicrobial and immune action. Cloves have one of the highest antimicrobial activity ratings among food spices. Their essential oil is effective against a wide spectrum of bacteria, fungi, and even some viruses. In a study by the University of Malaysia, Clove oil was found to be effective against antibiotic-resistant bacterial strains, including methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA. Regular consumption of clove water can increase blood antioxidant levels by 15 to 18%, significantly strengthening immune defense. Powerful disease prevention. Dental health. Cloves are traditionally used to relieve toothache, but science has gone further. Studies show that rinsing the mouth with clove water reduces plaque formation by 29% and lowers the risk of gingivitis. Eugenol in cloves acts as a natural anesthetic and antiseptic, which not only numbs pain but also helps kill bacteria that cause tooth decay and gum inflammation. Indonesian researchers found that regular chewing of cloves, 1 to 2 buds per day, significantly reduces the number of pathogenic microorganisms in the oral cavity and reduces bad breath. Digestive system. Clove water stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, increasing their activity by 14 to 17% and improving nutrient absorption. A study conducted in India showed that cloves help restore healthy gut microflora after taking antibiotics, acting as a prebiotic for beneficial bacteria. In Germany, clinical trials found that a combination of cloves with other spices significantly reduced symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome over 4 weeks in 67% of patients. Mental health and brain. The aroma of cloves activates alpha brain waves, which are associated with relaxation and creativity. Japanese researchers found that inhaling clove aroma for 15 minutes improved creativity test scores by 22%. Components of cloves penetrate the blood-brain barrier and protect neurons from oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. In patients with mild cognitive impairment, daily consumption of clove water for 3 months improved short-term memory scores by 11% compared to the control group. Cardiovascular system. Clove water helps dilate blood vessels, reducing blood pressure in people with hypertension by an average of 7 to 10 millimeters of mercury during a month of regular consumption. Studies show that regular clove consumption lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, levels by 13% and raises good cholesterol, HDL, levels by 8%. Egyptian cardiologists found that clove water reduces levels of inflammatory markers in blood vessel walls, decreasing the risk of atherosclerosis. Anti-cancer potential. Laboratory studies demonstrate that oleic acid and eugenol in cloves inhibit the growth of cancer cells, especially in breast, prostate, and colon cancers. Chinese researchers found that clove extract can induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells without affecting healthy cells in the body. Clove water, consumed 30 minutes before chemotherapy, according to some data, can reduce treatment side effects and increase its effectiveness. Special recommendations for elderly people. With age, gastric juice production decreases, making nutrient absorption more difficult. Clove water stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, facilitating food digestion, even for people with compromised digestive systems. In people over 65, regular consumption of clove water can improve microcirculation, which is especially important for cognitive functions and heart health. In blue zones, regions of the world with the highest concentration of long-lived people, cloves are a common spice. In Nicoya, Costa Rica, home to some of the world's longest-living people, cloves are regularly added to traditional drinks and dishes. Culinary creativity. Unexpected ways to use cloves. Beyond the basics, creative culinary applications. Sweet surprises. Add a little clove water to cookie or cake batter for a warm, aromatic flavor. Savory secrets. Add a pinch of ground cloves to meat marinades or stews to give them a deep, rich flavor. Creative beverages. Make clove tea with honey to boost immunity or add a few clove buds to homemade mulled wine for a special aroma. Breakfast innovations. Add some clove water to oatmeal or smoothies for a fragrant, warming start to the day. Clove water, recipes and applications. Classic clove water. Soak 7 to 8 clove buds in 1 liter of water overnight. Strain in the morning and drink throughout the day. Immune booster. Mix clove water with the juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon for a powerful immune-strengthening drink. Refreshing tonic. Add mint, cucumber, and a few drops of apple cider vinegar to clove water for a refreshing detox drink. Aromatherapy spray. Fill a spray bottle with clove water to refresh the air in a room and for an antimicrobial effect. Cloves in world cuisines. Pilaf from India, aromatic rice with cloves, cardamom and cinnamon that elevates a simple dish to a royal level. Spicy marinades from Morocco. Cloves are an integral part of the famous Ras el Hanout spice mixture used for marinating meat. Pommes d'amour from France, traditional love apples, covered with caramel and cloves, sold at Christmas markets. Masala chai from India, aromatic spice tea where cloves play a key role in creating the characteristic flavor. Getting started. Your journey with cloves. Tips for beginners. Start small. Add 1 clove to your tea or coffee each morning, gradually increasing the amount and variety of uses. Create a clove pharmacy in your kitchen with whole and ground cloves, clove oil and clove water for various needs. Experiment. Add cloves to unexpected dishes, even to chocolate desserts or fruit salads for a new taste experience. Practical preparation of clove water. Basic recipe. 1 teaspoon of whole cloves per 1 liter of water. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, and simmer for 5 minutes. Let steep for 30 minutes, strain and cool. Cold infusion. For a milder flavor, soak cloves in cold water for 8 to 12 hours. This method preserves more volatile compounds. Storage. Clove water keeps in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze it in ice cube trays and use as needed. Cloves for lifelong health. Scientific research increasingly confirms what traditional cultures have known for millennia. Cloves are a powerful means of strengthening health with amazing beneficial properties. By including this spice and clove water in your daily diet, you support not only the taste of your dishes but also strengthen your body. As a famous Indian Ayurvedic doctor once said, "If there are cloves in the house, the doctor remains without work." This wisdom reflects humanity's millennia of experience, which is now being confirmed by modern science. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates about new health and nutrition videos. See you next time. Disclaimer: the information presented in this video is intended solely for educational purposes and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing medical conditions or are taking medications.